And the task is to set up an EC2 instance and install n8n community edition with Nginx. An EC2 instance with, let me see if I can create a workflow. So I have created a small testing workflow here. Let me test it. Today, let's see if DevOps agents can actually complete a job that is posted in Upwork. I've selected this task that is posted on Upwork about a week back, and the task is to set up an EC2 instance and install n8n community edition with Nginx. So let's copy the job description and let's ask the agents if it can do something. So let's proceed to next stage. You can see we do not have any instances running right now, and the domain doesn't work. So our implementation plan is ready. We can see that there are multiple steps. Let's go to the next stage. Let's approve all the execution steps. Okay, so there is no web server running and we need to generate SSL certificate first to maybe run the web server. But let's say encrypt cannot verify the domain because no web server is running. So this is a chicken egg kind of problem. And you can see that the agent is smartly taking a new approach here. First start Nginx without SSL, then generate the SSL certificate, and finally restart Nginx with SSL. Okay, that's impressive. Looks like it has come up with a workaround. Let's see how it goes. And you can see that it corrected the Ansible playbook and ran the last task again, and the task also successfully completed. Yeah. So let's go to these validation steps as well, where it just make sure everything works properly. At the same time, let's go to this domain and let's see if anything is configured on it. Okay, looks like it's reloading. Let me also go to my AWS account and let's see if the EC2 instance is up and running. Okay, you can see an instance, an EC2 instance with the name n8n instance was created. Let's see. Okay, we can see the n8n is available here, and I can see n8n with full HTTPS. So we can see that our n8n is working perfectly, the one that our DevOps agents deployed on an EC2 instance, and with a domain name, SSL certificate. Everything looks good. Skip. Let me see if I can create a workflow. Okay, so at first step, let's execute workflow. Okay, the workflow can get executed properly. Let me add one more workflow step. Let me add a Python So this is a small Python code. If it is executed, whatever is in the print would show in the console. So let's see. So when we unexpected intent, shouldn't use intent. Okay, we can see this. If this step is executed, we can see this line here. Okay, so let's clear that. So let's see if the n8n instance that DevOps agent set up for us works properly. So I have created a small testing workflow here. Let me test it. Okay. So node code. So we can see that the workflow gets executed properly. We can save the workflow. Everything is working properly. So we can come to the conclusion that our DevOps agents were able to finish this job successfully. It met all the criteria. It even did some additional setups like configuring the domain names, etc. And I'm pretty impressed that it can finish a complete job that is posted on Upwork.com.